We are given the Henry's constant for four gases alpha, beta, gamma and delta in water at 298 Kelvin. The alpha, so the Kh for alpha is 50, for beta it's 2, for gamma it's 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 and for delta is 0.5. The density of water is to be taken as 10 to the power 3 kg m to the power minus 3 at 298 Kelvin. We need to find out what this above table implies. So we know that P is equals to Kh x mole fraction of the gas in liquid. If we increase the temperature, then the Kh increases. The Henry's constant increases. Therefore, solubility goes down, and hence we can find out that the first option is correct, that is the solubility of gamma at 308 Kelvin is lower than 298 Kelvin.